Managed to get the string through. Let's go ahead and put this on the seat now. Go. So work your way from the back, from the front to the back with the Velcro. Alright, so I got the mount on. I'm not going to put on the other piece here until it's done getting painted. I'm painting it black right now. Here, just gotta paint it. Go ahead and move to the top portion of the seat. Continue with that. Make sure this black insert is on the side of the airbag. perfect, but got the skin on there. I couldn't use the retaining rods; they were just too much of a hassle. I'm probably gonna lower this one a little more just to get this excess down. But we'll go ahead and start doing the backrest. All right, guys, got them all together. Finish that back bolster. Anything I can say, I'll cut this out too. Just waiting on it to be painted. Came together pretty nice. Definitely gonna look better in the car, but that's how they came out. One thing I can say about this back bolster right here is put it against the wall. You want to push this, you want to push it all the way up, and you're going to push this back, and at the same time you're going to push right here to push back and down, because you want to reclip it in. It's a little bit of a pain, but that's how I did it. So we'll go ahead and just put it back in the car. All 4 15mm bolts. Put on the seat belt first. Seat belt first. 4 bolts. Of course, the connectors in the bottom, 2 connectors. I still got to put this side piece here on, and the lever. Go ahead and get you guys back when I get to the driver's side. Putting on this spray adhesive is pretty simple. Just wanna, I already did the back portion, but shake it well. Let's say a minute to 2 minutes. I already shook this. You're gonna spray both surfaces to be bonded and let it tack up for 1 minute. After that minute, you're gonna press them together and they'll stick firmly. Now, let's go ahead and spray this one. Nice even coats. Obviously, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm doing one by one, so once that tacks up, I'll get back to the video. All right, it's pretty tacked up. Let's see if I can get this one on. So you're gonna press it in firmly. Pretty tacky. I'm going to press this down firmly, starting from the back, going forward. That's it. That's all it takes. So it's on there. And continue with the other 2 portions, and that's it. Then we can put together the bottom. Now that's all tacked up, went ahead and just inserted it. They give you a little cutout template on the side here. Just cut out here for your controls, for that plastic piece and metal bracket. Now we can go ahead and put on the new seat skin on this one. All right, guys, driver's side is done. Tied the rope, threw it around. Got the 3 hog rings here, 1, 2, 3. Of course, all the push pins are pinned in. Except this one, I guess, popped out. All right. For the backrest, these 2 pins here are pushed back in. Push that one's in. The Velcro is behind this here for the bottom seat. This is all cut out. All of that. Just got to put on the trim piece. Finish painting this. And we can put her back in. Came out pretty good. Wrinkles, of course, will go away as the heat goes away, but as it sits, it's not too bad. Should be pushing all that Velcro. Set. shape of the seat. That's all it takes. All right, I got this all painted, even though it's cracked. Still just gonna put it in. I'll show you guys how to install it. It's simple. So all you gotta do, get this this here clipped into those 4 tabs there, and then slide it forward first. Make sure you get this top bezel part over the metal, and slide it back, and that's it. Clips. It doesn't clip, but it gets into place and it stays in place. And I'll show you what to do after that. Right, trim bezel is on. Go ahead and put this back into the car. And install the seat bolt, and then connect the connectors and put in the 4 bolts, and that's it. All right, all 3 connectors are in, 1, 2, and the yellow one under there. We'll go ahead and just put the bolts on, and then the bezel covers here with the clips, and that's it. Well, as you can see, the seats came out great. If you like these videos, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. We're going to be starting a series on the Z06 brake package upgrade. That'll be the next videos coming out. If you do have any questions, don't be afraid to leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All in all, this isn't too hard of a job. I think anyone can do it. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Be on the lookout for those new videos. I'll have them coming out shortly.